Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Karen. I believe some of you read my post last night. The crystal rings. Yeah, they are so beautiful and I'm going to make all of them today. And before I do that, I would like to introduce the crystal names in English and Cantonese. Okay, do you recognize what these are? They are my favorites. Aquamarine. From an old mine in Brazil, nice clarity, and this one is with a little bit sparkling mica inclusion. 咁呢三個呢就係海藍寶界面啦，巴西嘅老礦料嚟嘅，晶體比較好同埋亮麗啦。咁喺呢一個界面呢，其實佢有少少雲母片共生嘅，咁佢係閃靈靈嘅。Okay, the next one, rhodochrosite from an old mine in Argentina. Nice color with a little bit clarity. 咁呢一個呢就係紅紋石，係阿根廷嘅老礦料嚟嘅，顏色呢比較紅同埋潤啦，同埋呢佢係帶有少少晶體嘅。Okay, the next one, gold rutile. Whoa, so beautiful. Top clarity with cat eye effect. This one is from Brazil. 咁呢一個呢就係全淨體嘅鈦晶，係帶貓眼效應嘅，非常之靚啦。係啦，咁係巴西料嚟嘅。These two are crystal in crystal. This kind of formation is rare. During its natural growth process, the crystal penetrates another crystal to grow, or is completely wrapped in another crystal. It has a nice name in China. We call it diamond of wealth. It is told that this kind of crystal has stronger power to attract wealth. Okay, let's see the left one. There are a few clear quartz grow inside the red phantom quartz. And the right one, there's a calcite grows in the clear quartz with a little bit rhodolite quartz. It belongs to the crystal inclusion as well. 咁呢兩個呢叫做晶中晶，係啦。咁呢一個形態呢係比較罕有㗎，佢係自然生長嘅過程中，水晶呢穿透咗另外一個水晶而去生長啦，又或者係俾另外一個水晶呢係完全包裹咗喺裏邊嘅。咁喺中國呢，佢哋有個好好聽嘅名呢，叫做財鑽。咁據說呢，佢哋嘅招財嘅能量呢係比較強嘅。咁左邊呢一個呢，就係紅幽靈裏邊長咗幾個白水晶族，但係就白水晶簇啦，但係就好細個嘅。咁右邊呢一個呢，就係有一個完整嘅方解石生長咗喺白水晶裏邊嘅，咁同埋呢仲有少少發晶一齊生長添。咁其實呢一啲呢都係叫做共生水晶嘅。These two are anhydrous quartz from China. I promised a customer that I will look for the high quality raw stone that can be made as cabochons and then make her a ring like my ring. Yeah, and now I'm delivering my promise. And the anhydrous quartz raw stone like this is also very nice quality. You see the bubble moving around, but since the bubble is too near the surface, we cannot cut and polish it。係啦，咁呢兩個呢，就係、水膽流沙水晶啦，咁個產地呢係中國嘅。咁我應承咗客人呢，會幫佢揾質量好嘅水膽水晶嘅原石啦，然後幫佢做成戒面，再做類似我戴緊嘅嗰隻戒指啦，咁樣嘅，係啦。咁依家我就幫佢做咗兩個戒面啦。然後呢，好似呢一個流沙原石咁呢，其實佢個晶體同埋品質都係幾好㗎，但係因為佢個流沙呢太過接近個石頭嘅表面啦，係冇辦法切割同埋打磨嘅，咁所以呢，佢就只好做一嚿原石啦。You know, sometimes I like this ring more than a diamond ring because it's true one-of-a-kind jewelry. You can copy a diamond ring, but you cannot copy a ring like this. It's just so unique.